This is it, guys. My first Schindler reports in a long time.
This group serves floor 1 through 26. Please press again when you hear your destination. 26. 26. Car C.
Car C. Car C. These used to be Schindler Haughton. These also used to be Schindler Haughton.
These are Miconic.
Port. Oh wow, look how nice these are.
Car C, doors open.
Look, no door close button. Look, no door close button.
Car C, doors closing.
Here we go. Let's see how fast these are. Wee.
Please tell me that other people want
These have to be like 800 feet per minute. My ears on the verge of popping.
426.
We're at 26. So,
Doors open.
car C. We're going back down the one that getting a view up here. Up. And we got us going down the one for us. Let's get some dual indicator.
Closing.
Let's get some dual indicator action. That was a hard launch. These have to be at least 800 feet per minute. These are quite nice. Wow. Oh, my ears start to pop. Here at 1. I'm gonna set this one up, then get another one. Let's set this up to 8. Send that one away.
This group serves
Are you handicap
floor
mode?
4 through 26. Please press again when you hear your destination. 26. 26. Car E.
Car E.
Car E, doors open.
Got car E. We're gonna have you once the doors close. These used to be Schindler Haughton. Very nice cabs.
Car E, doors closing.
Here we go. Whoa, these are fast. We're gonna have you. These are really, really nice elevators. Look at the ceiling, can you see high? Your fixtures, absolute vandal resistant, hands-free EPCO client phone. 3,500 pound capacity. Wow, this hotel is really nice. We got you at the window after getting off.
426.
Oh wow. Dang, these are fast. It starts leveling at 24.
Doors open.
Wow, look at that view out the window. There's the EQT building. Highmark,
Doors closing.
Fifth Avenue Place. Wow, that's the Coppers. That's the Coppers building. And just a little bit of the US Steel Tower. Let's take a look at the hotel. I would do the service elevators, except they're modded. Let's take a look at the hallway. This is a pretty nice elevator, or hotel. Interesting. Ice machines in a separate room. This is the executive boardroom. Alright, we'll go back down to 3. Now, I'm going to show you how the handicap system works.
This group serves floor 1 through 25. Please press again when you hear your destination.
We're going to go wait till it hears 3.
25, 24.
When I hear 3, I'm pressing this button.
23, 22, 21, 20, 19,
While we wait, a little history in this hotel.
17,
This hotel opened in 1986
15,
and was originally sold with Schindler Haughton.
12, 11, 10,
And you got that nice view out the window.
8,
Getting close to 3.
6, 5, 4, 3, 3,
Car B. Got car B. Also, there's another view downtown.
See the incline.
You can also see the Cedar Square garage in the distance. Up in our elevators here. Again, really nice. Check out Interlock, GAL Interlock.
If you look all the way at the bottom, the very bottom, south.
I saw that. Whoa, these are fast. I'm not doing the service elevators here because they're modded. If they were original Schindler Haughton, I'd go for it, but nah, they're just the same as these. That was fast. My ears are popping, dang. That's it.